Hey guys, I hope you're well. Hey man, I'm sorry. I didn't foresee this happening when I tricked Mother Nature into one more snow. Jesus, one more snow has turned into several. What? I can't zoom while Super Study's on. That's a classy video. If I wouldn't have said anything, you wouldn't have known anything. That doesn't sound nice, does it, Blitzen? Yeah. Hey, so the National Weather Service forecast 1 inch for dear Uncle Blozo and Blitzen, and their 1 inch is 4 at least. And I think it's almost done snowing now, and the old man across the street, well, he's snow blowing his ass off. Careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. And then some. 73. It won't let me stop recording. It keeps saying can't zoom out. I don't want to zoom out. I want to stop the recording. Come on, you stupid new phone. What's wrong, Blitzen? Uh-oh. It's giving me the message again. Man, I'm sorry, guys. Some of you are in Michigan. I didn't intend for this to happen. I really didn't, man. Dang it, Bobby. Man, don't blame me for this shit. It was just bullshit. I didn't think you could order Mother Nature around or trick her into giving you one last snow. Your Uncle Blozo didn't want any more snow. I promise you. The Lord giveth, but it's Blozo that taketh away. 73. Hey guys, check this out, man. Oh, I'm sorry. How rude of me. I hope you're well. I really do. Why am I laughing? I'm not Kamala. Malala. I had those two 45-pound plates. Thank you. I'm not going to say who you are. Thank you. Plates. I had those on top of the block of rock, right? And then I had those two 35-pounders and those two 25-pounders. And it was just a little much, man. And I didn't know if you need that much weight. Well, I think I found the answer. Hang on. Now, baby boy's out here, probably hoping to take a crap. And so I didn't know if that just having those the weight that's on it would be enough. Well, I kind of screwed up, guys. I tricked Ma Nature into giving me one last snow, and this is the third one since. See, once again, I like to bring Jet out here, and I drop the blade in float mode, and I just drag it backwards around the yard to make these poo-poo runs. I thought they were poo-poo runs, but not the case, man. Last time I did that, he just laughed at me, man. He dropped ass in snow when he wanted to go poo. Well, look at these freaking ruts, man. They're already filling in with water. Look at those ruts. You know what happened? I backed Jed up to the fence and went to go forward, and he wasn't moving, right? Well, dang, I had the front wheels cranked all the way to the side and a big pile of snow in front of him. So I poked the throttle. It was at about 3/4 throttle. I don't mean it was at 3/4 throttle, and I jammed the hydrostat lever forward and proceeded to immediately dig 2 ruts that are about 6 or 8 inches deep. That tractor's a beast. That thing's a beast, man. It's not like my MTD, my Troy-built pony. That transmission has some give. Although it's a direct drive, it's belt driven. And that belt does provide just enough stretch to act as a little bit of a shock absorber, man. On Jed, if I just jam the hydrostat lever forward, it takes the thing a minute. It sags. The Onan engine, whoa, and then it immediately recovers. Because there's, whoa, come on, Bozo. Yeah. So, I jammed the hydrostat lever forward, and it went, whoa, and then it screamed, and then dug the ruts, and I shot forward. What do? You just slowly advance the lever forward, because you're going to go forward. You don't need to dig ruts. Well, the sun's setting on old Blozo and dear Blitzy. Look at this guy, man. Look at him. He loves laying in the snow. It's unreal. He loves laying in the snow and looking around the neighborhood every night. That's his job. Blitzy, wanna go inside? Let's go inside. Come on, Blitzy. Daddy's cold. Daddy. Come on, Blitzen. Come on, let's go. Let's go in the house. Come on, Blitzy. Yeah, I better look where I'm walking. Come on, Blitzy. Come on. Oh. Come on, Blitzy. The last John Deere video. Thanks for watching. 73s. 3s? 73s? Where did that come from? You don't say best regards as 73.